Yes, I stopped in the middle of a dresser makeover to start on another project. I had some weird delusional thought that I could work on both things at the same time and, paint a wall, and while that's drying, go back to the dresser and then paint another wall and then go back to the dresser. Instead, this wall has taken up every moment of my free time since I started. I'm also really happy this blue is working out because I definitely just picked it based on a color swatch. I did not come home and test it. One down, a bunch to go. Regret is setting in with how long it took to do this, and I have all of that. I don't know what I was thinking with this wall pattern. It's gonna be great, and that's the only thing that's keeping me going because taping this off sucks. Why are the most beautiful things just so time consuming? Am I done with this yet? Nope. The majority of the wall is left. Not only did these take forever to tape off, now I'm going and turning this and cutting it out, turning it into this. Why did I do this to myself? Why? Everyone thought I was crazy patient to put the tape up on the wall. Y'all, this is next level torture. Was I questioning my entire life's choices while I was doing this? Yes, but I turned on some Grey's Anatomy and I persisted. I really wish I kept track of how long all of this took me. I don't know, but I'm hours deep into this, so there's no backing out now. And I had to make sure the lines I was cutting were straight. Regrets. At least it's like a mindless task where you can think about all the awkward encounters and things you've said over the past 10 years and think about what you should have said instead. Yeah, this is that kind of task. My hand is cramping. Ugh. So many people said they'd just leave the tape after all this work. The green and navy is a choice, and some of y'all love it, but it will not be staying up on my wall.
One eternity later.
It's done. Finally, it's done. We're however many days into this, and it's finally time to start painting. Wait, is that the same navy that I just painted on the entire wall? Yes, it is. This is still prep work, although we are painting. Painting the base color over the tape seals in any air bubbles, especially with textured walls, so you want to not skip this step. And finally, the light at the end of the tunnel. But wait, is this the end, or did I find a new way to torture myself? We're finishing this painted wallpaper, but not before a little more zhuzhing. The options at this point are taping more or using a teeny tiny brush. This isn't just lines on a wall, it's supposed to be a plaid. So to be a plaid, you need a little bit more dimension. New form of painting hell unlocked. Could have I, or more importantly, should have I done this differently? I mean, probably. All these little squares are painted. So I finished it just in time to see my DIY besties. And if I didn't fear a complete mutiny, I might make you wait more. But I won't. I'm nice, okay? See that super crispy line? That is only going to happen if you paint the base color over the tape, especially if you have anything close to the textured walls like I do. If you're one of the chosen favorites that have flat walls, just keep that to yourself, okay? I'm jealous. 3 rolls of tape later and so many hours. Well, was it worth it?